So I've just arrived in Los Angeles, and driving up into the hills there's some very expensive cars and very expensive houses. Just gone around a bend, and there we have the Hollywood sign. There's loads of exotic cars around here, a lot of very expensive cool cars, but there is only one rusty right-hand drive old diesel BMW. And as you can see, the handbrake doesn't work now. The Gestapo are here, so probably should move on now. Let's go downtown. Why are there so many stop signs here? There's no cars, so why would I stop? Another one. I just don't get it. Why are there so many stop signs in the States? It's very strange. But now I'm wondering, what's the fine for going through a stop sign? So, I'm on Hollywood Boulevard. This is where the Chinese theater is and all of the stars. And, well, right next to me right now, there's a girl taking a picture next to the Mickey Mouse star. Maybe I want a picture with the Mickey Mouse star. Do we not have enough? We have a man with a stop sign now. So the car parking really is reasonably priced. $2.50 for an hour, max $10. These are the guys I found in Vegas. Yo, I saw you guys in Las Vegas. Yeah. In the English car. Yeah, in the Uber Eats English car.
We know.
Yeah, Switzerland. I'm talking about these guys. I don't even think I put them in the Las Vegas video. It's too late, I posted it. But, small world. They've cycled far. Shit, it's the LAPD. The LAPD. I always think of that Ali G scene when I see the Los Angeles police.
Hey, yo, cheers, the LAPD, man.
Yeah, and?
Oh, man, you are one bad motherfucker, man.
As you can probably tell by this huge hill, I'm now no longer in Los Angeles. I'm in San Francisco. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to do a hill start. And the handbrake doesn't work. Shit. Come on. Whoa, that is clutch control. That was kind of scary, everybody. Anyway, I'm quite impressed with that hill start. But I am now on a very tight schedule to get up to Canada because I'm very close to my 90 days in the US, which that's all I can stay at a time. I'm also aware you can probably hear a very rattly BMW. Which of course does not sound good. I think hooning around the desert with all my stuff in the back has broke something on the suspension, so we'll have to have a look at that. But first I'm just gonna drive over this big bridge. Not sure what bridge this is, never seen it before, never heard of anything about it. It's not very golden, it's more of a rusty orange. But more importantly over this bridge, we need to investigate what that rattle is. Well, I guess there's worse places to look for strange sounds on the car. The Golden Gate. I'm no expert, but I don't think the top of the suspension tower should be in the boot. Let's just put that hat back there. Swiftly moving on. Now we know the wheel isn't going to fall off. Who needs suspension anyway? I'm guessing it was from when I was doing this. Who needs Toyota Land Cruisers when you have old BMW 3 Series? Shit. I suppose you're not really meant to do that in 20-year-old cars, but nevertheless, let's continue to upstate California. This is quite a shaky car. I'm now in the wine area of California. I think this classes as Northern California. I've just arrived at the hotel. Walmart. So we got one other happy camper too. What the fuck? This could be an interesting night. What's going on down there? So, it turns out it's a big thing. People just sleeping in car parks in America. Okay, so I just set up the camping spot and this is what it looks like. Here we go. I'll just sleep here. As you can see, all my sort of stuff's here. My suitcase is here to extend this part. I don't have anything for the windows. I could use all my t-shirts, but I don't really want to get them out of my bag, so I guess the fentanyl addicts of this town can just look at me as I sleep. I'll lock the doors. I think that would be sensible. So that guy from earlier is just laid in the car park. I need a pillow. And I sort of feel like a monkey at the zoo. Everyone can just see me. I'm alive! I woke up not dead. I'm alive, everybody. I haven't been attacked with fentanyl or shit. It's got pretty uncomfortable when it started deflating. Who needs an AR-15 to defend yourself when you've got an adjustable spanner in your car? Good morning, everybody. Oh, shit. I need to put trousers on. I'm in a public place.